Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Inspect the pan and decide if rust is surface level or deeper, because that changes soak time. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a container large enough to fully immerse the skillet. Vinegar dissolves iron oxide chemically. Make sure to wear gloves and protect counters. Submerge the cast iron up to the rim, leave any painted parts dry. Check after 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once the orange color softens, you're ready to move on to mechanical cleaning. Once the rust has softened, scrub firmly with steel wool or a stiff nylon brush, following circular motion to remove loose flakes. You'll see bare iron appear where rust came off. Rinse the skillet under hot water, then sprinkle baking soda and scrub briefly to neutralize remaining acid. This prevents continued corrosion. Rinse again until water runs clear. Make sure to dry immediately and place the skillet on low heat for several minutes to evaporate all moisture, because any dampness invites rust to return. You're finishing by restoring the protective seasoning that keeps food from sticking and prevents new rust. Apply a thin layer of grapeseed or flaxseed oil all over, wipe excess until nearly dry, and bake the skillet upside down at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. This polymerizes the oil into a hard coating. Let it cool inside the oven. If you notice rust reappearing, repeat the soak and scrub process or consider electrolysis for severe pitting. Otherwise, maintain by drying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.